Well, hello Internet. I've been riding these forestry roads since about, I got up before daylight, and it's probably about maybe 11 or 12 now, and I've decided to take a break and eat me a couple boiled eggs and have a couple sips of Mountain Dew, and I stopped here up on top of this ridge and found me some little baby blue jewelweed flowers, and then some yellow ones over there. And if you see over there, there's pokeweed coming up. That's a sure sign summer's nearing its end. But I've been riding around. It's pretty cool. I can, within 10 to 15 minutes from any direction from my house, I can be in a spot just like this. Middle of nowhere. Beautiful. It's, other than the little bugs buzzing and stuff, it's you could hear a pin drop up here. It's my plan was to really do some woodland photography this morning because the fog was really thick, but there's wild mushrooms and flowers everywhere, so I ended up, luckily at the last minute this morning, I threw my macro kit into the van, so I've been using my macro. Let me show you what I've been using lately, mostly all summer. I've been using this. This is my OM1 with the 90mm macro and a flash Godox V350 with the diffuser on it. This is what I've been doing all my macro stuff with. I've been doing a lot of focus stacking with it. And my main landscape and nature kit right here is, this is my XT5 with the 16 to 50 lens on it. That gets the most use. And then I got another XT5 with a 70 to 300 on it. And I got a little wide angle Sigma 10 to 18mm in the bag. But that's basically the Fuji kit I use. Then I use the OM system. I always make sure if I'm driving around that I got this OM1 Mark II with the 150 to 400mm big lens there for in case I see any deer or anything. Last weekend I got a nice picture of a red-tailed hawk. It flew right up in a tree right in front of me, and I'll put that picture in. I'll post a bunch of pictures in here, but I think I'm gonna grab the macro lens and go get some pictures of them little yellow jewelweed. And down in these weeds here, there's little bitty blue, I mean beautiful blue jewelweed flowers. I've never seen them before, but I'll go ahead and post some pictures in the end of this video. As you can see, I had to cut a tree down at the beginning of this video that blocked my, if I would have never cut that tree and turned around and backtracked my way out of here, I would have never found these little baby blue flowers that I've never seen before. So everything happens for a reason. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I'll put in a bunch of pictures I've taken in the last few weeks of, yeah, it's me again. I just seen a great big old timber rattler. Got the big old white lens out and got some killer freaking pictures of them. So I'll post a bunch of these pictures in here too. I'm on my way out of the woods. He was laying in the middle of the damn trail. And that was, I mean, what a beautiful snake. I got up about 10 foot from him and he turned and looked at me and started rattling and started coiling up. I kind of wanted him to do that where I could get his whole body in the frame. It worked good.